Guys, in this video, I would like to answer the question about the quad bike. Many people text me on the messenger and asking me about the question about quad bike. I think better make a video like this so I can share the information easy rather than I text one by one. So question number one is what is make riding ATP here in Bali so exciting? Riding ATP here in Bali is not just riding, it also adrenaline pumping, thrill and adventurous. Right? You can feel the wind blow to your face and then hear the roar of the engine of the quad bike, and then also you can feel freedom. In Bali, you can explore the track like a muddy track, and then rice field, and then waterfall, into the cave, and the river. That's the only track you can find here in Bali. So that is make riding ATP here in Bali is challenging because the track in Bali is one of the best in the world. Alright guys, question number two is how much is the quad bike here in Bali? We have three type quad bike here in Bali. Number one is beginner track, and then number two muddy track, and then number three long tunnel and waterfall. This one the famous track here in Bali. Alright, so for the beginner it costs around $45 Australian. It's already include lunch and insurance as well. It's the track is 1 hour and through the rice field. All right, the track is on the rice field is easy track. Number two, we have called Jambe Astri, that is muddy track and long tunnel. Its duration 1.5 hours. It will cost you around $85 Aussie. It's already good track. Okay, I recommend you do this one, or you can do here at the Kuber Adventure. This is one of the famous and the best ATP as well. In the published price, they put a price for option A and option B. Option A, they have a tunnel, waterfall in the rice field, and then fun action. Its duration 1.5 hours. They start the price from